Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm joined by oh, I forgot. I'm doing it somewhere else. Give me a second. Actually, no, that's too boring of a transition. Instead, let's do the funny camera trick. There we go. Now we're talking. Alright, guys, we are here with a few people.
Hi. Hello. It took my phone out of the microwave.
Wait, your phone's in the microwave?
And you can tell there's one other person.
I didn't cook it. I didn't try the rice.
This unboxing's for him.
It is?
It's for us. It's our experience. Anyways.
Also note, I will be extremely jealous by the end of this video. Because I really know what these are.
Alright. I'm really excited for this box. So in here, we have some very rare detectors that is supposedly your holy grail.
Okay.
Now we can finally figure out if they truly are hardwired version, because that's what they seem like, but Sydney doesn't believe
Alright.
that they're hardwired.
We'll see, we'll find out.
Who wants to do it?
You do it.
What's there an AC/DC version?
No, we do.
How is this going to work?
We don't need SS729 Part 2. We don't need
Sniping that shark.
I already have my SS729 right here, which will be size comparison.
Of course.
Any you know.
And I did also, for this occasion, I did...
Wait, SmokeGard 710.
I'm okay.
Of course, obviously, I bought my regular SmokeGard. So you'll know what's in this box.
I'm cutting towards me, like a responsible person. Which tape did they put on here?
Lots of tape.
Very loose.
We have this canvas.
There we go.
Oh, they did a flap.
Ooh, I love myself a lot. I swear there's just a
Here,
plot
just give me
1839
this.
out of one. Cream.
What the?
No,
What is that?
plug a vesicular device.
Oh, I see it. I see one of them. There should be 3 in here.
I see 3 of them.
Looks like they came. Wow. All right, you get to pull out the first one.
Oh gosh. Holy cow.
There it is. And that one looks like this.
Oh, jeez.
Get home.
Don't drop it. I'm gonna put it down.
Drop it.
Unscrew the base. Unscrew the base.
It is a smoke guard though.
The packing peanut stuck to it.
Here's the one I'm keeping.
Get off of me. They are not.
They aren't?
Look.
All right, let's see what
Oh,
this.
720s? Wait, are they 720s? Oh, they are! Oh.
Ooh, that's cool.
Holy cow.
Here, I have mine right here.
You bring your smoke savers? Because then you can test them.
No, we're not. I'm not doing that here, but I don't think they even. What kind of batteries do they take? Hold on, I can try to get.
Double A.
I think it's
They're double A's?
Appears to be.
Wait. Are you sure they're double A's? Let me see.
Are you sure? I thought they used to
Use
say
3 4.5 volt
I thought
alkaline batteries.
Smoke
Might not
Guards
be.
used like some weird ass battery.
Oh, I just sussed the
Yeah.
cylinder shape and I
Can't get mine off.
What battery did you say it took, Ethan?
I don't know. I don't want to say it again.
I can't
Show us.
get mine off.
So
Let's see.
show me the back.
Oh.
Because if I can see the back, I can. It's 21 4.5 volt batteries. Yeah, they take some weird batteries that they don't make anymore. They're not
Yeah.
really.
Yeah, Statitrol. Yeah, this is the. And then we didn't actually pull out
That's
the.
not working.
And we didn't actually pull out the third one. This is the one that's like slightly bent, but it's fine.
Did it?
It's actually not as bad as I thought it would be.
This one's in a little bit better condition.
Yeah, that's the one that I'm keeping.
Makes me wonder who's gonna get a third one for some reason. Probably not me. Probably be some random person, you know.
These are cool. These are really cool.
Cannot get the bases off for the life of you.
Make a triangle of them.
These are literally made out of metal.
Triangle would be cursed.
Triangle.
Need help?
I mean, they are kind of shaped like triangles when you look at them from the side.
They're pretty cool.
I know. I love these.
They're
This will,
shaped like
this will be an awesome addition to my collection.
They are shaped like this.
This one's yours.
Yeah, that one's mine. And then the other two I'm getting rid of in terms of setting. Anyways, now that we're here,
Uh,
Wait, they had like writing on the back. I don't know if that was like a date code or something.
Probably a serial number.
It's like written in
eh,
Sharpie.
it's
I
fine.
did not put it on that hard. Are you telling me? How is my hair already on it?
Hey, wait.
Let's just
Oh,
be.
wait, what's
Oh, yeah,
Oh,
serial-
that's how you do it.
serial number. Wait, is that sensitivity? I think that is.
Yes,
Yes, the dial.
It's you're holding it upside down.
I
You're
am.
holding it upside down.
Oh, I am too. Yeah, you can hang. You can show them this one. So this is a Statitrol SmokeGard 2.
Here.
No, is that no? That's the serial number.
Yeah, this is a 720. This is
Model 720 is serial number. Who's here?
Ethan?
Ethan again.
Oh
Huh.
no! Wait, we get the double angle. Wow.
Yeah, it doesn't. I don't see.
Wait, you guys could see my. You guys could see
It's 21 battery.
There's no date code. And now that they're okay, now that what do you call it? Now that I've seen this, I'm gonna go ahead and do what I was supposed to do because I already forgot what I was supposed to do. Toodaloo. By the way,
Alright.
I'm gonna send a crash video because I'm not doing it.
I gotta be sure to save it.
Metal.
Yeah, these are made out of metal. So yeah, this is made from the completely a completely different
I can
material.
see the inside. I can like see the insides.
Yeah, this is made from a completely different material than the 700s were made from.
Yeah.
This one, as you can see,
Where's
is
the camera on this thing?
is actually plastic. It's on the side. Oh,
Ooh. Ooh.
so here's a little size comparison. This one is considerably taller. That's from the
That one
side.
looks like a Model 2, but with only one thing.
Whoa.
Not gonna lie.
That thing moves around. This one doesn't. Yeah, this one kind of like jiggles around.
This one's pushed in, and this one's a little bit.
Yeah, you can
Wait,
tell this one. It is a
stack them on
considerable.
top of each other. So like, and then, yeah, no, other way, upside down.
No, he means like that.
Yeah, I mean like that.
These things are heavy.
It's going under it.
Careful. This is like playing with expensive fire.
Wow.
Amazing.
What are we doing with that?
Wait. The other one must go on. Oh, that's why it's bent a little bit. Okay, now the base.
Playing Jenga.
Wow.
It's all
playing
about
Jenga.
that base.
Playing Jenga with smoke guards. Ooh.
True.
Anyways,
Whoa.
ding.
It's like.
Anyway, where's mine? This one's mine. So yeah, anyways, yeah, we
Yes.
have this will definitely be one of my favorites in my collection, as I'm glad to finally own one of these. At least a smoke guard with this specific design. So yeah, again,
Peanut.
Statitrol. Ooh, that might actually be a date code. 1975. That could actually be a date.
Wait, where's the date code?
It's next to the model. Look next to the
875-8.
Yep, 1975.
Yeah, these
Yeah.
are from 1975, but they all
August
do they
8th, 1975.
Yep.
do they all have the same
Oh, I
code?
think that's an installation.
Oh, this one doesn't
date
even have a-
because It's written on with Sharpie.
Wait, what does that one have?
This one had 75. I'm just gonna assume this is from circa 1975. That one actually doesn't have. And then this one you didn't actually take the base off for.
I did.
Or you did?
I
Not.
just put it back on. That's not good sound.
Those are very weird. Yeah, here's what the bases look like. They're pretty.
There's
Weird.
screws. I guess it was installed at one point.
I mean, these aren't even new in box. Anyways, yeah. You can look around with those. At the same time, we're gonna do some more comparisons. I have my SS729.
Alright, whoever's getting this one gets the screws.
Hold on. Now put it on top of the SS729 upside down, like in like the little circle.
Isn't that plastic cover?
Yeah, this is
There
plastic
you
cover.
go.
Okay,
Actually,
stop making me do stupid stuff with my stuff. But yeah, you can tell this one it's slightly smaller, this one.
Yeah, some of these bases are a little bit messed up.
No, but it's only smaller because it's taller. Like the rest of this are. Oh, of course, I bought the D.
D2.
Want.
Here's the
Want.
D1.
D2.
He cannot fit D2 in bag.
No, I was able to.
What?
No battery.
Oh.
Oh, that's
Well, you need a 9-volt.
Yeah, with the quick set, yeah, they're about the same size.
I want to see where's sensor. I mean horn.
I was
That
trying to see if it's the mass horn.
it's right there.
Yeah. It does seem like a similar style of horn.
Yeah.
That's for the batteries.
Yeah.
Sensor's smaller than I thought.
Let me get all three arranged. I don't know if I'm gonna make this the thumbnail. I'll probably make it just to fool people. Yeah, we'll go ahead and.
Smaller than I thought, actually.
You know, he's messing with the D2.
I want it. Not going to play smoke alarm bowling. That's an expensive game.
Anyways, yeah, that is the 3 SmokeGard 720s.
Wait, I need a picture of this.
Yeah, you can do that.
Why am I using that?
While he's doing that, I guess let's make my conclusions. Hope you enjoyed this video. And do you guys want to say bye?
By triangular evidence.
Of course.
Oh my god, I should have bought triangle.
Which one doesn't have the base? You.
That's cool.
Yep. I'm surprised those are actually made out of metal.
Yeah.
It's basically SmokeGard's SF718.
This one.
Actually,
Oh, this one's plastic. And this one's also battery operated?
Yeah, they're both battery operated, which actually I think the 720 is actually better for mine. Yeah, so this is not really
It's
missing
like a
anything.
woven fabric. It is.
Oh yeah, one more thing before I end. Jaden, Smoker's 730 incident.
Does this have battery?
Flashbacks. No, that's 12 volt.
wait, now I get.
Oh, that's
one
a lens.
Never mind.
Stupid. I've never had this many rare smoke alarms in my room at one time. I think the rarest thing that's been in here is...
FADC.
Yeah.
Or the kit base.
Makes total sense. I should play some smoke alarm bowling. Just do.
No, you shouldn't.
It landed on James's iPad.
700.
Okay, I'm gonna end the video before things get too crazy. So, where's mine? There's mine.
I was not about to hit James with the smoke alarm base. I have no idea what you're talking about.
Okay, that's it. Bye.